Torn between 2D and 3D coating foam cases, looking for a stylish, durable 2025 to 2026 pick which to choose. Same sublimation tech, totally different results. Let's compare. 2D cases print designs on aluminum or glass first, then fit into TPU frames. Design stays central with obvious black edges. 3D coating cases infused onto the whole case. Size and camera edges include no blank spots. 2D leaves black borders and big camera cutouts. 3D coating, full bleeds, zero borders. Feel matters. 2D cases have a raised glass part. You can feel it clearly, and they are thicker. 3D coating cases are totally smooth, like the design is part of the case. Want quality and long use? Go 3D coating. Just need a cheap 10 case? 2D works, but don't expect much. Dongguan Prosub, over 14 years of experience as a one-stop dye sublimation foam case manufacturer. Our scratch and drop resistant cases hold professional drop test certification. We offer unique designs, private labeling, and bulk production, efficiently, reliably. We look forward to partnering with you.